I am Rahma Serag from class 8E, and this is my activity for the Science Week. I decided to talk about the three states of matter, since we have been learning about them recently. Let's first talk about the particle model of each state. First, we have solid. Their particles are tightly packed together, which means they are squeezed together and they have a fixed position, as you can see. Next are liquids. They are loosely packed together, which means they are moving slowly but still have contact with other particles. However, gas particles are freely randomly moving around, and also they are moving quickly. Secondly, we'll talk about shapes. Solid objects never ever change their shape, no matter what container we put it in. This one, or this one. The rock still has its shape. On the other hand, liquids take the shape of their container. If we pour water in here, it takes the cylinder shape of the plastic box. In here, it takes the shape of the plate. And in here, it takes the square shape of the tray. Next is compression. Solid and liquid cannot be compressed, since their particles are packed together, while gas can be compressed to take less space. Gas compression is done to increase the pressure of the gas. This is accompanied by change of state of the gas, which means change in the temperature and volume of a quantum of gas going under compression. Here are some of the machines used in gas compressions. And after the gas has been compressed, it is stored in cans, just like these. For example, here is oxygen cans, and divers use them to have enough oxygen to breathe underwater. And according to the particle model, gas particles move randomly. So when we compress them, the gas particles come tightly and nearly together. Now let's take a look at viscosity. It takes place in liquids. The higher the viscosity, the stronger the intermolecular force holding the particle together is. Let's take this further a bit and make an experiment to find out whether honey, water, or oil has a higher viscosity. Here are the ingredients for the experiment. I have water, honey, and oil. And I got my phone to do the stopwatch. To conduct a fair test, we need to keep the same amount of each liquid. So in my case, I'm using a 15 milliliter container. And I need to pour in the same speed, which means I don't pour like this and then like that. I need to keep it tilted in the same degree. So let's get started with water. Put on the stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, go. So for the water, we got 11 seconds. Secondly, the honey. 3, 2, 1, go. We got 37 seconds. So let's reset. And for the oil, 3, 2, 1, go. stop. The oil got 16 seconds, which means that the results of this experiment were that the honey has the highest viscosity, next oil, and the least viscosity is water. Last but not least, we'll talk about solids properties. So, as you can see, solids have a definite shape and volume. Their particles don't move at all, but they do vibrate. Solids have high melting points. They are very strong. They don't flow. They conduct electricity very well as heat. Solubility is a property of solid. Their particles are very dense. They are very malleable and tactile. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.